Meditation is a rewarding, fulfilling practice that is being practiced by everyone in the world. It is a simple practice that aims to reduce stress, promote mental health, increase calmness, and bring about happiness. The world today is crazy and chaotic. Loud noises, busy days, stressful work, and a variety of other annoyances are plaguing an increasing number of people as time passes. Meditation is a rewarding, fulfilling practice that will calm your mind, relax you, and keep you in a peace. But the question is, where do you begin? Do you have this question in your mind right now? Are you a beginner? If yes, then keep watching as I share 4 simple steps you can do to make your meditation practice a success. Before you go into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get meditation tips and materials that can help you on this journey. Before we directly jump over there, let's discuss what exactly meditation is. Meditation is a practice that a lot of successful people have in their daily routine. The question is why and how. In meditation, we practice paying attention to breath as it comes in and out, as well as noticing when our minds wander from this task. This practice of returning to the breath strengthens the attention and mindfulness muscles. It's as easy as breathing and paying attention to breathing in and out, keeping your mind clear. It might seem hard in the early stages of your meditation, but it is perfectly okay for your mind to wander. Meditation is something you can practice anywhere, anytime. You can be on the bus, on your way to work, or in your room. There are even meditation techniques for loud places. Mindfulness meditation does not imply allowing your thoughts to wander, but it's also not about trying to empty your mind. Instead, the practice entails paying close attention to the present moment, particularly our own thoughts, emotions, and sensations, whatever is going on. Meditation trains the mind. It is all about the present moment and keeps our mind balanced and clear of distracting thoughts. Now a question can arise in your mind that why should we meditate? The benefits of meditation cannot be overemphasized. It has been scientifically proven that meditation does wonder for the body, both health-wise and mentally. Some of the benefits include: you get to sleep better at night. Studies have shown that meditation has helped to reduce severe sleep problems such as insomnia. It helps to relax your body during sleep, making sure you wake up with a bright smile. It also reduces stress. Stress from work, school, business, and all others can elevate stress in you, but meditation reduces stress levels and prevents burnout. Meditation is all about focusing on the present, and it allows us to take our minds off worries and thoughts that can cause anxiety disorder. The more we meditate, the more we get comfortable with our mind. This stabilizes our mind and improves on our mental health. The last one is focus. You can focus on more important things and reduce brain chatter. This is one of the keys to success, as George Lucas said. Always remember, your focus determines your reality. Meditation is the secret practice that most successful people use. The benefits from meditation aren't limited to any field of study. As a beginner, there are 4 easy steps to start on your journey of meditation and attaining inner peace. So, are you ready? So here are the 4 steps you should practice as a beginner. Number 1. Create the habit. Creating a habit is easier said than done. Just as Jim Rohn said, motivation is what gets you started, habit is what keeps you moving. Don't think of meditation as a chore or as a task that will hurt your lifestyle. The first step to a successful meditation routine is the right mindset. Pick a time, morning, afternoon, or night, whichever works best for you, but establishing a consistent pattern at a time that works for you is so critical to maintaining the habit. Habit is dependent on routine, and this increases the probability of your success. Another step in creating a meditation habit is to set a time limit. As a beginner, you can start with 5 minutes and gradually increase it as time goes by. Pick a time limit that is convenient and easily fits into your schedule. Meditation should only take a few minutes and you experience the benefits immediately. Number 2. Eliminate the distraction. Before you begin your meditation, you have to stay away from your mobile phone and other distracting devices. This means no replying to text, chatting, watching TV, watching movies, or even walking. Find somewhere quiet to meditate with comfortable lighting. Turn off your mobile phone or put it in another room and make sure all other distractions are turned off. This should be your alone time, just you and a clear mind. If you have roommates, you can tell them that you would like some privacy during this time, or you can do your meditation before they wake up or even while they sleep. This is the time that you get to spend on your mental health, so don't let other take priority. Get your meditation kit, whatever you feel you would need to meditate, earpods, a music box or a speaker, or even a cup of tea. Whatever will let you relax should be the only thing with you. Number 3. Make sure you are comfortable. You have found the perfect time and done away with distractions. Now what's next? Make yourself comfortable. The perfect atmosphere, settings, cushion, ambience, music, or even food and drinks can help you to settle your mind. Your body and mind need to be in a relaxed state to feel comfortable. By making sure that the location your meditation is as comfortable as possible, you are much more likely to have a successful and regenerative experience. We can sit anywhere we like for the duration of the meditation as long as our back is straight, our neck and shoulders are relaxed, and our chin is gently tucked. We can sit on our sofa, a dining or office chair, or on a couch propped up by cushions. Cross or uncross your arms and legs as seems natural. Consider relaxing clothes that are not too tight, taking off our shoes, and removing any item that causes us to fidget. If you are constantly fidgeting or shivering from cold or sweating from the head, your mind will not be really in a proper state to relax. You can light up some candles, get yourself a meditation couch, plug in your earphones and play some relaxing sounds. You can also get noise cancelling earpods, make your favorite tea or coffee, take a walk in the park or garden, sit on the balcony or even on your bed. Meditation begins when our body and mind feel relaxed. Get rid of whatever is making you uncomfortable. Number 4. Whatever you think about is fine. One of the many misconceptions about the meditation is that your mind needs to be silent with no intrusive thoughts, but that's a misguided fact. While meditating, you will definitely think about your troubles, worries, loves, sad thoughts, happy thoughts, everything. Meditating is meant to calm the body. You breathe, and when your mind wanders, all you have to do is refocus on your breathing. One meditation technique you can practice is body scan meditation. Let me explain. Let's use a scanner to illustrate this technique. It scans a paper from edge to edge, the same thing with our body. You close your eyes and start by bringing your focus on the top of your head, and then you slowly scan down as the scanner would. Spend 20 to 30 seconds paying attention to each body part, noticing how they feel. Keep scanning until you get your toes and then stop. This technique helps you reduce stress-induced hormones and helps you discover which body part are relaxed or tensed. Don't feel discouraged when your mind wanders. It's perfectly normal. Just try to let go whatever you were thinking about. Slowly return your awareness to your breath. Breathe in and breathe out, and if your mind keeps wandering, just keep repeating this process. Breathe in, breathe out, till you return to your present and continue your meditation. So as we have come to the end of our video, let's conclude what we learned today. Meditation should not be seen as a task. It should be an enjoyable experience that you can learn from and grow with. These 4 easy steps are all you need to succeed in meditating, and routinely following these steps will help you to gain a successful and beautiful practice for your life. Meditation is a wonderful way to unwind and relax. It focuses your mind, relaxes your mind, and brings so many benefits that are being discovered every day. So let us help you to get started on your meditation journey.